So now we're going to model what it would look like if you're using your iPads. So using AirPlay, my students in the class, they have the mounted projector. They're able to see what's on my iPad up at the front of the room, nice and big. And then Carlos, our at-home student, is also able to see this on his computer screen. All right, so we'll jump into the part where I had already modeled, and now it's time to do a check for understanding to assess the student's understanding. All right, so we'll jump into it. All right, everyone, it's time to give you a chance to make an attempt at what we just talked through together as a class. So everyone have your whiteboards ready. Okay, so just a quick reminder, remember when we're looking at the blue fractions, we're using equal partitions to visually represent how to make equivalent fractions. So what I'd like you to do, first we're going to make the visual together. So everyone make this visual on your whiteboard. It shouldn't take up the whole whiteboard, just maybe 1/4 of your whiteboard, okay? So a vertical rectangle with 3 equal parts, so we're showing thirds, okay? Now I want you to make 2/3. You can do this by shading in the top 2 or the bottom 2, whatever you like, okay? Eyes up when you're done doing that, so I know it's okay to continue. All right, awesome. And now you're gonna make the same visual next to it. It's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, same one right next to it. Eyes up when you have that done. Okay, now your job is, I want you to make an equal partition, or if you want to make more than one equal partition, on the fraction to the left, so this one. So make an equal partition, and then you are going to write the equivalent fractions right under it, right over here, as I did on the left. Okay, so 2 things. Equal partition or equal partitions, and then writing the equivalent fractions. Okay, thumbs up if you understand what to do. At-home students are ready. Okay, Byron, do you need me to repeat it, or do you have a specific question?
I'm not sure if I'm understanding what the request is.
Okay, so you're going to, I'm glad you're asking. Thank you for asking. So do you see on this side where I made this equal partition?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to make an equal partition on this fraction, okay? The same way I did on this fraction to make equivalent fractions.
I think I see, yeah.
Okay, and so you can make 1, you can make 2.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody get started. Okay, I'm scanning. When your eyes are up, that shows me that you're ready. Okay, I'm checking my at-home students. Eyes up when you're ready to go. Okay, just like everyone's ready. Whiteboards up on the count of 3. Don't put them down until I say whiteboards down. 1, 2, 3. I'm scanning. Carlos, can you move your whiteboard away from the screen just a little bit? Okay, now I can see the whole thing. Okay. Carlos, your fractions. Okay, check your fractions, Carlos. Make sure that the visual matches up with the equation. Okay? All right. Everybody's whiteboard's down. Okay, I see about half of us got it right. The other half, we need a little bit of adjustments, okay? So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you how to make the partitions. So here's one way to do it. So the fraction on the right, oops, I'm going to draw a vertical partition, okay? And now we can write the fractions. 2/3 equals, now there's 6 equal pieces, which means sixths, and then 4 of them are colored in, which makes 4/6, okay? Correct yours on your whiteboard if you didn't get that one right. Okay, and I have another one queued up just in case we need a little extra work on it, which I can see we do. It's all good. So we're going to do the next one. So everybody erase your whiteboards. And I'll stop there. All right, any thoughts on that? Any questions? Suggestions? What do you think, Jen?
I like it that Byron didn't understand. You're able to, okay, let me just show you right now on the whiteboard.
It wasn't on purpose wrong, but.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, no, but also just in all fairness, like I skipped the part where I